vicious.
Dangerous.
Nancy Pelosi is a horrible person.
He's impeached forever, no matter what he says or whatever headlines he wants to carry around.
Weeks ago and again yesterday, courageous Republican politicians and leaders had the wisdom, fortitude, and strength to do what everyone knows was right.
He has shredded the truth in his speech. He's shredding the Constitution in his conduct.
And she wanted to impeach a long time ago when she said, I pray for the president. I pray for the president. She doesn't pray. She may pray, but she prays for the opposite. But I doubt she prays at all.
He's talking about things that he knows little about, faith and prayer. I pray hard for him because he's so off the track of our Constitution, our values, our country, the air our children breathe, the water they drink, and the rest. He really needs our prayers.